Many Shopify sellers struggle with fake or unconfirmed orders. Customers place orders, but sellers still need to manually call or message them just to confirm. This wastes time and often leads to canceled deliveries and lost money. That's where Haleria comes in. Haleria automatically confirms orders through WhatsApp, so only real, verified orders reach your store. First, go to your Shopify dashboard and open the Haleria app. This feature is available in the Pro plan. From the navigation menu, open WhatsApp Business Automation. Here you'll see your connected WhatsApp account. Under Overview, click on Notifications. Now open Order Updates, enable Order Confirmation Notification, and click Save Preferences. Now, let's test it by placing an order. We are on the Haleria demo store. I'll select this black hoodie, add it to the cart, and proceed to checkout. Fill in the required details, email or phone number, address, city, and the WhatsApp number where the confirmation message will be received. Select Cash on Delivery and complete the order. As soon as the order is placed, a WhatsApp confirmation message is automatically sent to the customer. The customer can simply choose Yes to confirm or No to cancel the order. I'll click Yes to confirm. Now, let's check the Shopify dashboard. Here is the order we just placed, and as you can see, a tag has been automatically added, Order is confirmed through WhatsApp. No manual messages and no confirmation calls. Everything is automated. Reduce fake orders, save time, and automate your order confirmation process with Haleria. Start selling smarter with Haleria today. Install it now. The app link is in the description.